She knows the camera's on.
You know we love you so much. Yes, we love you. Yes, we love you. Yes. I know. We're so proud of you. We're so proud of you. You're the best little daughter I ever had. Yes, you. Yes, you. Love you. Love you. Tell Daddy. You see Mommy? Yes, we're so proud of you. I'm proud of you. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Yes, you. I love you. You're my little mustard butt. Yes. Or listen, I have a question for you. Are you a mustard butt or a milk mouth? Which one is it? Which one is it? Tell me. Tell Daddy. Tell Dad. Mustard or milk? Are you a milk butt? Are you a mustard head? Yes, you. I can tell you. Yes, honey. Dada. Dada's so proud of you. He's so proud of you. Here. Here's your little toy. I know you like that. Yeah, that's right.
Is the party over?
Is the party over now? Are you done?
Oh no.
No, you still want to
Say it's
talk
just
to Daddy?
beginning.
Tell Daddy. Tell him. Talk to him.
Tell Mama
Tell
too.
Mama.
Can you say Mama? Can you say Mama? See, I like Dad better.
No. She was excited because she thought I forgot about her, but I didn't. I was eating. I didn't forget about you. No, I didn't forget about you.
She said, I like attention.
I know you love attention from your dad. Loves you. Yes, you. Yes.
Hey, Daphne.
Look at Mama.
Hey,
Look.
Daphne.
Uh-oh.
Hello. Yoo-hoo.
Over here, honey.
Mustard butt.
Hey, mustard butt.
Poor thing.
Look over here.
I can't see your cute little face. There we go. There we go. Can you say hi? Hi, sweetheart. Are you beautiful?
Tell Mama.
Say, I am beautiful.
Tell your mom.
She's like, meh. Mom schmom. I'm gonna gnaw on my hand. That's more fun.
Your dragonfly. Yeah, look, see? Watching it. What? You biting his head? You chewing on his head? Yes, you are.
It's hard to see what she's doing.
What's he doing? What's he doing? Did you get him? You gonna grab him? There you go. There you got him. Now you can bite his head. Now you chew on his head. Lick his head. Yeah, you're in a good mood now. You need his head. Love you. Yes, you. You're a geek. Yay!
Alright, I guess she's done talking.
Yep.
She's like, hey, where are you going? Where's Dad going? Alright, Mama's here. Now you give Mama some time. Are you over it, sweetheart?
She was all fired.
Maybe that's like the last moment of cuteness before she goes to bed.
Might be.
Well, she's still cute, but I I think she's getting over the jumperoo. Well, no, she's got a little more march in her. Say wah. Wah, 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 wah. Did you get that blue elephant yet? Hey Daphne, did you get the blue elephant? I know. Did you get the blue elephant yet, honey? Yes. Are you gonna get that blue elephant, sweetheart? How about the yellow monkey? Do you want to grab the yellow monkey? Do you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. Get that blue elephant. Are you in a marching band, a one baby marching band? Yes, you are. Say ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Say ooh, ooh. Close enough. This might be complaining. It sounds cute, but I think... I can't tell if you're happy or not, kiddo. I guess we'll find out soon enough.
Hi! Hi! I see you. Do you want to tell Daddy? Nope. You can tell Dad. Tell him. Alright.
Are you getting sleepy, Daphne?
Tell Dad.
You getting sleepy, honey? What was that? What was that, sweetheart? Yeah, I was gonna get a better view. What would you like to tell Mama? Huh? What would you like to tell Mama? Do you want Why don't you grab the blue elephant, sweetheart? Why don't you get that blue elephant? Get him. Alright, get the dragonfly. Does that taste good? That tastes good. I think this looks like anger to me. Are you done? Are you done? Are you ready to go to sleep, honey? Say, okay, I'm ready to go to bed. Sweetheart. Say good night. Say good night. Say good night. And bye-bye. Alright, honey. Lights out. Time for bed. Mwah. Are you done? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. There you go. There you go. Alright. Okay, I'll stop ignoring you. There we go. Good night. Good night. Night, night. Night, night. See, I got Mommy's finger. I got Mommy's finger. There we go. And we're done. Mean Mommy keeps recording. Okay. We're really done.